Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. Today we will be looking at the 1:100 Phantom Transformation, also referred to as Phantom Shift or Illusion. This is a highly anticipated third-party plastic mecha model kit scheduled for the release by July of this year 2026. It features a heavily Gundam Seed-inspired design aesthetics and comes equipped with pre-built metal inner frame for superior joint stability. This stands roughly about 21.5 centimeters with an overall height of 24.8 centimeters when the massive backpack structure is fully unfolded. This will have a width of at least 50 centimeters. This is a full transformation capability and highly articulated parts. The official base floor price in China is set around 168 yuan, approximately around $25 US. International retail pre-orders typically range from around $35 to $50 US depending on regional shipping fees. In the US, this will be available in a place like a Gundamit pre-order page or the Gundam Play Store. This is most likely will become available through Shopee in Southeast Asia. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.